All right, some of my neighbors around me had gotten and broken into, so it's time for me to actually upgrade our camera system. Manual is very important because there's a couple of features that you need to be aware. These cameras can work at 2.4 or 5 hertz. Each camera comes with its own individual solar panel, including with every single nut that you're going to require, every screw that you're required to mount these. The base is very important. It's going to actually capture, and everything's going to go through the base itself. But if you have a camera that needs to be working independently, there's actually a micro SD connection for each camera underneath of it, including with the reset button. Each camera comes with a connection here for USB that you can connect the actual solar panels, but each camera can run for 24/7, but in order to do that, you cannot use the solar panel. You're going to have to connect a direct power source to it. That means each one has to have a Type-C to a connection, either a wall mount and a converter. The space system can actually sync up to 10 cameras. Very simple to set up. There's even a sync button for each camera that comes into your network. Now let's take a look at the back. In the back, you're going to find the micro SD card that is included with it, a 64 gig. You're going to get a reset button, RJ45 connection, HDMI, and a USB. Now, another great thing about this thing, they also include a mouse, because when you connect this to a TV, you can actually manage it through there to record or to do a live stream. Or not only that, you want to go back into your history, you can do that. It's all included in the kit. It gives you more than enough cameras that you require. For some of the business, like I said, up to 10 cameras you could set up, 2.4 hertz or 5 hertz. Now let's put it together and see how it works. All right. We're using an external monitor so you guys can see some of the features I have right now. Right now it's setting up. We're going to set up the network right now and all the settings. We haven't even turned on any cameras right now. This is what you're greeting in. So different languages. We hit next. We're going to set up our wireless right now. Now we have here where we're going to set up our cameras, all right? See the live view, so we can't see anything right now, but we're going to turn them on, and you turn them on right underneath of them, if you guys can see that. They're fully charged right now, but I would suggest you charge them again, and they're going to go through a sync process, so give it a couple minutes, because once they turn on, they start a whole sync process. Look at that. Make sure you take off all these individual. And there's one camera that just automatically came up. And we're going to leave it, sync it up. We're going to turn on the rest of them. And number 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All of them came on right now. We're going to hit next. Now we're going to set up an admin password. You're going to have to remember this password, or you're going to have to reset the whole entire thing. So this is very important to set up your admin. All right, this process, I'm going to blur it out because you got to come with your phone and set your barcode up. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, we entirely set up everything. Right now, what you're looking at is a live view from my actual phone through the systems that are not set up outdoors yet, but we're gonna set them up today. You could set up the main camera here, 4 split camera, and if you have more cameras, you can set up to 10 cameras, like I said. So right now, we're gonna do the 4 cameras in here. You could go play, replay, and then you could add additional stuff in here, and then you could go to settings. We're going to settings, and here you're going to have to log in as the admin. So let's log in. Once you log in, you got settings to set up pretty much your entire network and the account. You can even reset if you're going to sell this device, or you're going to give it to your loved ones. You could just reset it. All right. So all the cameras are included in here, and we're going to go back into the system so you guys can see it. So it's working very well right now. I like this little device that we're looking at it right now, and we're going to set each camera up in its own base. All right, here it is on my TV. I set up the box right here because I have a switch right here so I could run real quick. And the signal's not that bad, you know? So anytime I want to check around my house, make sure that the neighborhood's okay, this is what I can do. Now, the best part about it, you see that? Anytime movement happens, camera takes effect. I can see majority parts of my house. I want to add 2 more cameras for the service, but this is great. And if I want to come in here and make some changes or maybe playback, you could just move the mouse, and I'm still going to fit it in my computer here. So I'm going to go in here and I could go and play back. I could go to general, setup, cameras, date, time, storage, diagnostics, network, the app account, help, and reset. Now, what I recommend you is you could go in here and do the updates firmware, but you're going to need a USB to do the firmware upgrade. Right now, if you want, you could change the time. You see how you have it? Daylight savings. We have different time effects, automatically set up, formats. We could come in here and make changes too, but you can also make the changes on your actual phone too. So let's go back to the live view. So if you're running a business, and for example, I have it on my big TV here, my dog's coming in here, you can always check out who's out there, any kind of movement or any kind of noise you're hearing. Hey, you want to see what's going on? This is one way you can do it. So I like this a lot. It has a lot of features on here. There's a lot of things you can do from here. Now let's take a look at the app on your phone. See what else you can do there. All right, so now that we installed the application, go into the actual system itself, and we're going to open it up. And right now we just installed it, and it's right here. If you guys can see the playback right now, the playback button, and if you guys can see, they're all loading up all the cameras. From here I can remote control into the system itself. If you guys can see, look at, I'm going to remove just a little bit, and I could capture pretty much anything. I could capture a picture, I could take a video, I can make it full screen. If I want, I could change the actual settings to show more cameras in here. Right now we have it at 4. Now this is just the application that you have to download in order to make this activate, and it's very simple to install. Once it installs, you're going to have to recreate your account, and you're going to have to access your account too. So if you forget the password that you created for this, you're going to have an issue. So you got to make sure you remember that password in order to make this work. Now, besides the phone, there's actually an app, and we're going to take a look at it. EZ Cloud. That's the name of the app. So we're going to open it up right now. And this is the application you could download from the web. Now, to activate your cameras, because right now you guys can see there is nothing activated, you do need to set up your IP address, and you do need to set up a username and password that you created in order to enable the system to work. Now, once you do that, you're going to have access pretty much to playback, device management, user partner, record, screenshots, disconnect all, screen number, all right? And of course patrol settings and more functions, of course. Now we're going to go into the devices, because right now out of the box you can't see them. You have to activate them in order to see them. So we're going to activate number 1, number 2. So by activating number 1, you have to double click on it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if you have more than 4 cameras, you can activate all 4 cameras in here, or 5 or 6. Remember, up to 10 cameras you can set up. So this device not only has many ways of accessing from your TV to your phone to your computer. So one way I actually have this is, like, I don't have access to my TV. I have access to the IP address in the system, and then I'm able to see pretty much everything that's happening during the day and during the night. So out of the box, this whole entire kit is ready to go for either a small business or your home security. So I hope you guys enjoy this video.